Vivo.
Hi guys, today I will be showing you or unboxing my new phone which my son Sunday Junior Vlogs gave me. Alright, let's start. This is Vivo or Vivo Y11. Okay. There. Here is the pin for SIM. And I guess this is the manual. Shows the important and the warranty card. Alright, and here is the 5G ready SIM. We have here the connector, the adapter or charger, and here, tadadang! Oh, it's so nice. And I like the color, guys. It's so nice. I love it. And it is slim. You know, I still have my old phone which Sandy also gave to me the other year, which is the Huawei Nexus brand. And here again, he gave me another one. And I like it very, very much. Later, I will show you the old one. This is already tried to on. Oh, look at that. So nice. And every time you turn it on and off, it literally generating different lock screen pictures. See? Okay. Okay, this is my old one phone, guys, and this is still working. It's Huawei Nexus phones is also very nice, especially the camera.
Just leave me for somebody else.